This video walks you through how to customize portal branding in Clio Manage. Begin from your Clio Manage account where you are already signed in. On the left side of the screen, click Settings to open the account configuration area. This is where Clio places the options related to shared experiences and account-level presentation. Once Settings is open, look under Clio Settings and select Clio for co-counsel and sharing. That will take you to the area where portal branding and shared notification settings are managed. When the page opens, make sure the Customization tab is selected before you continue. If another tab is active, switch to Customization so you are viewing the branding controls. In the Brand section, click the Select Theme drop-down. Here you can decide how your branding appears when content is shared. The available choices include the default Clio theme, your firm's theme, firm name only, logo only, or logo and firm name. Choose the option that matches how you want clients or shared recipients to see your portal branding. This setting controls the presentation style, so it is worth checking that the selected option matches the look you want before moving on. After choosing a branding style, scroll down to the Notifications section. In this area, open the Choose Event drop-down to select the notification type for preview. You can use this menu to view different shared experiences, including Shared Bill via Clio for co-counsel, Shared Bill via email, Shared Calendar Event, Shared Message, Shared Document, Shared Matter, Shared Outstanding Client Balance, or Shared Task. Pick the notification you want to review so the preview reflects that specific event. If you select a bill-related notification and the option appears, decide whether to select or clear Show the total amount due in email. This affects how billing information is displayed in the email preview for applicable notifications. If that setting is not available for the event you chose, move on to the next action. Next, click Preview. Clio will show you how the selected notification in your chosen branding will appear from the client's perspective. Use this preview to confirm that the theme, logo display, firm name presentation, and notification layout match what you intend recipients to see. If something does not look right, you can return to the drop-downs and adjust the selections before saving. When you are satisfied with the preview, click Save Changes to apply the customization. That stores the branding and notification display settings you selected for the portal experience. Thanks for watching. Your portal branding changes in Clio Manage are now saved and applied.